Hi guys, I thought I'd make a quick video of something that's typical Plasma that you should know, and we are an ArcoLinux, well, ArcoLinux project is something to avoid frustration, and there's only one way: knowledge. You require knowledge, right? So there's many 2,800 videos and so many articles out there. One of the things you should know is that your Plasma system can be super beautiful. You can change anything you see. You can add so many more plasmoids and widgets and all that you want, right? But what you can't do, and that's the main thing, that's why a short video again. I thought, what if it changed, right? What if some years ago I've made a video about qt5ct? There are still people who have this feeling, this urge they should install qt5ct, and there's also a 6 variant, so qt6ct, and think that there will be no consequences. There will be dire consequences indeed. This application is now taking control over your system. So qt5ct settings, and this application is rules now, right? You can forget anything, well, maybe not anything, but this one is now in second priority, let's say. This one rules. This one will say, I'm gonna change this, that, and that. All the stuff that's in here is overruling anything that's in here. And as an example, I don't change anything in qt5, so just showing you what's the frustration and why people are contacting us then, right? Icons are now Surf and Plasma Dark. I set them to Breeze, apply, say okay, next time around, and that's it, right? Next time around, when I boot up, I'll get Plasma icons. So I thought, let's make a quick test. Is it still the same thing as years ago? And everybody's expecting that that the Plasma icons are applied, and what do you know? What icons are applied? Nothing, right? Nothing has changed, because qt5ct is doing the job, not system settings. So my advice is very simple. Look at all the stuff we get here, right? Look at all the stuff we get here. Everything can be set, fonts and so on and so on. Just don't install qt5ct. So sudo pacman -remove qt5ct, or change anything with qt5ct, right? It's either or. There's no end story. I thought maybe there's an end story today, but nope. So the videos are still applied. Let's go for the icons that you see immediately. Icons, here we are. So it's still set, it's still applied, but it's not showing it, definitely not showing it. But now when I reboot, or maybe log out is already enough, let's see. Then suddenly qt5ct not being present, not being in control, not overruling anything. Right? We've got it. Well, partially, I think. Well, no. These are the full icons, I think, from Plasma. So there you go. Short video, qt5ct system settings from Plasma, they collide. All right? Avoid frustration.